Hi friends, I am Shweta. I love animals and spend all my time with them. Today, I will tell you some things about some animals we find around us. Some animals like the elephant, whale and giraffe are big. Let me tell you about them. An elephant has a long nose and two big teeth. Its nose is called trunk and teeth are called tusks. It can carry heavy loads with its trunk. Whale is a very large fish. It lives in water. Blue whale is the largest animal on earth. Let's meet the giraffe. It is a very tall animal. It eats only plants. Some animals like the rabbit, mouse and cat are small. A rabbit loves carrots. A cat loves to drink milk. A mouse loves to eat cheese. We find animals in different places. Some animals live on land. For example, a bear lives in a jungle. A camel lives in a desert. A dog can be seen on the roads, in people's houses as a pet or at a farm. Some animals like the fish, whale and octopus live in water. Do you know that there are animals that live both on land as well as in water? Crocodile, frog and turtle are some such animals. Some animals like the monkey, owl and woodpecker live on trees. The monkey climbs from one tree to another and has a long tail. The owl is active during night. The woodpecker taps the tree trunks to find the insects in the tree bark. Some animals are helpful to us in many ways. We keep them on a farm or in our homes. They are called domestic animals. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. Hens and ducks give us eggs. A sheep is also helpful to us. It gives us wool to make woolen clothes. We also keep some animals as pets in our homes. They are parrot, cat, dog, rabbit and fish. Sing this poem about a cat with me. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fit it in a cardboard box, in a cupboard with your frogs. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. Some animals like the lion, tiger, zebra, deer and elephant live in forests. They are called wild animals. Deer eats only plants. See the mighty lion. It has a mane and lives in a den. The tiger has stripes on its body. Some animals do not have homes. They are called stray animals. We should not hurt them. A dog is a very common stray animal. Birds like parrots, sparrows, pigeons and crows are animals with wings and feathers. Most birds can fly. Birds do not have teeth. They eat with their beaks. They hop onto their two legs. Some birds like ostriches and penguins cannot fly. Insects like butterflies, mosquitoes and houseflies are very small animals. They have 6 legs. They also have wings which help them to fly. All insects do not fly. There are some insects like ants and cockroaches which crawl. We must be kind to animals and not hurt them.